Welcome to my channel Tailor Market NG, where I share with you fashion designers and all crafters how to make fashion appliques for all their projects and share review on fashion tools and accessories. Today I'll be teaching you on how to turn your made painted applique to a glittering one. In my previous video, I shared with you on how to paint fabric and I painted this particular butterfly. So today we'll be looking at how to convert our painted butterfly into a glittering one. And for that to happen, we will need the E7000 glue, the butterfly, painted butterfly, and some glitter. The next thing you want to do is open your glue up and start at fixing it on the painted fabric. Like I'm doing in this video, I'm just putting the glue to the area I want the glitter to be on, not on every part of the butterfly. But if you want yours to cover it all, you can actually do that too. But for this purpose, for this tutorial, I decided that I wanted the glitter to just be on the edge of my applique. Remember, when you're doing this, it can be sticky, so you want to make sure that you put a little glue at a time on all the spaces you want covered up with the glitters. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please do that now and drop a comment on what you find most interesting about this video or what you would like me to do next for you. Now, once you're done applying your glue to the fabric, the next thing you want to do is to ensure that you have your glitter cover up your fabric. There are two ways to go about this. You can see from my video, I had the glitter already in my workspace on the plate, the plastic surface I'm working on, and you can also decide to pour your glitter on the fabric. For the purpose of this video, because I have the glue just around the butterfly, I decided to pour the glitter on the surface area where the glue is. Once I'm done pouring my glitter on my applique, which is the butterfly that we're working with, then I decided to just make sure that the glitter sticks firmly to the glue. And for me to do that, since I'm working with a butterfly, I can easily close the wings of my butterfly to make sure that the glue is well stuck to the fabric. You really don't have to do this, because once you pour the glitter on the fabric, it automatically glues there. So you don't have to do this. But for me, because I'm working with a butterfly, I can maneuver the fabric. I decided to do that. And from the video, you can see that the glue and the glitter are working together harmoniously. It is sticking to it, and you can see the reflection, how it's blinging. Very beautiful. What do you think? Yes, I agree with you. It is actually beautiful. So you can continue with all the other ones you have, all your other applique or cutout fabric, like I've done with the other ones, because I have a lot of painted butterfly for the dress I want to make. And that is me showing you the different ones I have made. Do you like the butterfly? What do you think? Would you be trying this particular method to make your own appliques for your next project? Let me know in the comment section. And if you're just joining me new or you're a returning viewer, please subscribe to my channel. Let me know what I'm doing and what I can do well, or how you would do your own. One thing I can tell you about this particular project is that it is an inexpensive way for you to have your appliques done. And this will allow you create beautiful pieces that nobody can just easily copy like that. And if you're wondering how you can get your glitter, your glue for this particular project, you can check the description of this video for me to share with you where you can get these items, and they can be easily delivered to you anywhere you are in the country in Nigeria. Thank you very much for watching. Until my next video, bye.